everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today we are going out for Eid shopping and I'm excited for that, but again, since we all are in a pandemic situation, so we need to take care of ourselves and others while we go out and shop, especially for this Eid. So I'm going to tell you some tips along the way how you can be safe and shop for this Eid hopefully. And we are going to go in and we are going to see what are the things. So I'm just the only person who's gonna go in because kids are not allowed inside, and since the situation is it's actually not safe for kids to go inside a mall or a shop or anything like that. So I'm actually going to take you guys along with me and show you the options and things that are available. So if you are interested, make sure to stick around, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure to subscribe down below and hit the bell notification ताकि आप तक मेरी तमाम वीडियोस पहुंच सके. So now we are here on the first stop, and spoiler alert, I'm going to take you guys along with me to a couple of different places because I really wanted to find fusion ethnic wear appropriate for Eid, and I've actually done entire videos on the places where I've explored these places already up on my channel, so I'm going to link those videos down below for you if you want to see and explore. But for now, you're actually going to see rain in Masqat in this video also, which is a really beautiful and rare sight that I really don't want you to miss on. I want you guys to know a couple of things that you should actually take care if you're going out for Eid shopping. The first thing is that please understand the fact that it's not the end of the world if you're not going to buy new clothes. And you're probably gonna say, okay, I'm out shopping and I'm saying this thing, but last year we didn't bought any new clothes. We got some gifts and we wore them, and it was a perfectly fine okay Eid. If you are not able to follow SOPs and you're living in a place where you know that markets are actually really dangerous in these times, avoid it altogether. I think that's the best route. The second thing, if you are actually going to buy clothes, make sure to wash them earlier. Just wash your clothes before you wear them because there are germs and things and viruses all over the place. Third thing that I really want you to make sure is to avoid taking your kids to the markets. Or यहाँ पे currently kids are not allowed inside, that's why I'm here in the car with the baby. Avoid taking kids, elderly people to the markets. It's not safe for them. They are especially at high risk. Fourth thing that I really want you to practice is to avoid rush hours. If you have to go out to a market, avoid rush hours. We are out on a morning, it's Friday, and we are out at 10. So this is actually a time when we know that their malls and the shops are going to be the least crowded. So we are out at this time. Avoid rush hours and avoid rush places. If you know that the market will be just filled with people and you are going to a market which is crowded, avoid it. If you want to go alone and don't go into the rush hours. And again, obviously, last thing that we all need to take care is to use a sanitizer and wear a mask. These are the basic things that we all need to do. Follow the SOPs, follow the rules. It's really important for you and for your family and for each one of us. We can all play a part in order to just be a more responsible citizen and making this world into a better place. That being said, in a couple of minutes I'll actually go inside and we are going to see this place also, so I'm going to take you guys along with me to see what is available over here, and just fingers crossed I find something good. So now we are here at Center Point City Center, Kurong, and by the time we reached there, it was 11 a.m. in the morning, and there were very few people out in the shop, which is a good thing, avoiding rush hours and avoiding crowded places and staying 6 feet apart and all of those things, which are really important to follow. And I will actually take you guys along this place with me once the lockdown will lift off, because currently we're in a lockdown. The commercial lockdown happened just the next day from the day I filmed this, and now all the commercial activities are closed throughout the day. But we were lucky enough that we got this one day where we could actually go out in the morning and shop. So now we are here in Lulu, and it is actually a really great place to shop for Indian ethnic wear clothing because you can find a lot of different kinds of Indian wear items here. And once I was done, it started raining. So that was it, what we bought for our Eid shopping. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did so, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. So for all of you who are wondering, okay, I showed you guys everything but not what I actually bought, I'm actually going to make a Eid vlog. Maybe I'm going to make a video on Eid. So in that, you guys will be able to see what I have bought. And yeah, so wait for it. No promises, but I'll try my best. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe down below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.